Another day of just nice pre-enroll and then boom, upgrading to members and affiliates today. Okay. Very exciting. Good job, guys. If you're signed up, pre-enrolled with me, or you went ahead and said, man, I'm going to be a member and an affiliate, good job, guys. I think you're going to have a nice time being involved with this Save Club. Okay. I think that you will be able to save money just by, hey, going to have a snack, or maybe, I don't know, taking a flight, going to a hotel. There's a lot of things. You can go to Home Depot, maybe build something. Okay. Go across the street and get a Papa Murphy's pizza. Okay. Then maybe take a lift. Okay. Go down the street and pick up some sporting goods at Big Dick's. And then you're kind of hungry. So you might have to backtrack a little bit and go to Wendy's. Pick something up yummy. Okay. Then maybe go to a little store called Walmart. They're pretty darn big and successful here. And of course, Walmart is in the back office as someone that says, hey, count me in, man. I'll give you some savings if you want to drop on by. So I have no doubt in the next, month or so, once we have a full 2 million vendors, businesses, people that want to participate with this great Save Club endeavor, okay, it's going to be massive, okay? People like to save money. Save clubs have been around a long time. It's like, hey, if I join, I'm going to save, okay? Obviously, we want to do that right now in May going into June of 2025. Pre-launch. You're going to hear that a lot when it comes to online business. It's like, man, we're pre-launching, okay? And I'm like, pre-lunching? Because I'm hungry. Someone wants to get me a pizza, get a couple bucks off at Papa Murphy's. I can't even say it. Hey, count me in. I'm into the pre-lunch, but pre-launch. All right. Launch what? Are we going to lay down and watch our rockets prematurely launch? I mean, what does that mean? Okay. This is how I look at Save Club, because I'm a little smarty pants. When the founder, his name's Charles. I like to call him Chuckles. He just says, it's the pre-launch phase. Let's just say June 1st is ready, set, go. But if you'd like to kind of get the ball rolling, let's take 30 days, talk a little bit, maybe make some videos, get a hold of friends, family, whatever it takes, just to say, guys, here's my link. Okay, will you watch a video? Because I don't like videos. I don't want to email. I'm sick of social media, but I don't mind inviting people to click something to watch a video made by little Charlie Chuckles, okay, our founder. A lot of people can do that. Okay. I think people are going to be a lot more comfortable presenting this opportunity to you, to a lot of other people, versus let's just say LiveGood. I got some containers there on my fridge over there, the white little plastic containers. Very successful company. Health, nutrition. Man, they've already signed up 2 million people. Doing good, guys. Very proud of LiveGood and the ownership, the Fab Four. And when this opportunity debuted, I think we're on day 10 or 11. Okay, I'm a couple days kind of late to the party, and that's okay. I joined Save Club, within the first week, and that's cool. It's fun to be on the leaderboard just to see, hey, there are people out there that want to join. They want to pre-enroll, get information, and take their time and make a decision. And I like when people do that. Some people will join without even watching a video or nothing. They just might see me, this is a video, but they don't see anything produced by the company. Okay, I like when people sit down and they look at Charles, okay, last name Mooey. Charlie Mooey. It's a cool name, man. Mooey Thai, baby. All right, so if people join that they're just so excited based on it could be hype, it's like, oh man, it's the bandwagon or it's a pre-launch. Let's just go ahead and join and see what happens over the next 30 days. And if it is a for realsy type thing, hey, maybe I'm signed up. I'm in someone's downline. I'm in a group. I'm in a team that believes in this. And we have a good month head start on planet Earth. Okay? There's a lot of faith involved when things come to a pre-launch. Me, I've always liked to do business with things that are already proven, like Harley Davidson, or maybe there is some type of investment. Okay, I've done a lot of radio. I've done a lot of nightclub ownership, semi-truck business, things that have been proven winners. Okay, I trust myself. I know I'm going to follow through on anything I do. I've been this way since birth, really. All right? When I was pooping my pants, I'm going to go the whole way. And then I'd pee my pants too and make sure that, every drop came out. Then my mom would just come and go, man, I'm going to wipe that little cutie's butt. Okay? And I can trust that Cory, he's got it all out. I'm not going to change him. And then 5 minutes later, he's going to go, I was just kidding. I got a little bit more left. Okay? So basically from the goo-goo days right up to right now is this beautiful, sexy beard that I grew over the last almost 60 years. Okay? I'm still the same. I'm a big fan of following through. I can't think of one time where I've kind of joined something or got into something and I didn't believe in it. Okay? And that's because a lot of things that you join, well, it costs money. Okay? I like money. I like to buy like toys and Hot Wheels and crazy Legos and Kiss products. I don't like to spend good money chasing bad ideas. Okay? I will never lose track of what $1 is, what $20 is, what $100 is. If I won Powerball, it still would not, make me freak out and go cuckoo. I would probably disappear, get a couple of my besties over the last, 10, 20, 30, 40 years and make my own little ecosystem. Okay, but I don't need a bunch of hype and a bunch of naysayers and negativity and people with a bunch of opinions kind of influencing what I think about this new opportunity. All right? I would say anyone that talks negative about Save Club, they don't even have 1/10 the research that I've put into it. Okay? So when someone does, don't try Save Club, after my research, there's a better opportunity. And I'm like, really, handjob? You haven't even joined. Your dumbass hasn't even joined for $60 or the 1997. Most of the scam videos. Okay, shocking news. Watch this before joining Save Club. Most of those, they're just bullcrap. They're fake. They have those, oh my God, shock and awe titles so that when you click it, you're thinking, okay, man, I better watch at least 100 to 200 videos about, is this Save Club? Do you really save? Is this bait and switch? Is it fake to make? Okay? In my opinion, no. All right? There's some of the biggest billion-dollar companies in the world participating with this system, with this opportunity. Save Clubs have been around forever. Okay? But not in the way that's styled like this company has done. They've joined forces. They've kind of shaken hands with the ownership, with LiveGood. So the processing, the credit card processing, the website, the flow, it's darn near 90% or higher identical than LiveGood. And I'm really good at the LiveGood thing. I know them very well. I love the owners. I love the software. I like how things are processed. I like the customer support. Okay. So I'm a big fan of the LiveGood thing. I got 2 years and almost 3,800 videos just about LiveGood. Okay. On my YouTube channel alone. I can't get that time back. And I don't want it back. It was worth every penny. And right now, with this new opportunity that is somewhat similar, and I do a lot of video, and I always think of like Walmart and Sam's Club. Okay? LiveGood, Save Club. Okay, do you get it? All right, we got the power and the sexiness of LiveGood, changing people's lives with health and nutrition. Proven that 2 million, there's about 9,000 a week. If I remember, about 30 or 40,000 people are joining LiveGood, even after 2.5 years. Okay? It'll do 5 to 10 million members. It'll have a whole bunch of categories and really yummy things to put in your guts. Okay? But with this Save Club, there's already millions of businesses already established. So you don't have to only just focus on health or nutrition, maybe CBD oil, aches and pains. All right, get some creases out of your face. That's awesome. But I want you to save on tires. If you need a lift to the airport, then, Lyft is participating. You need some flights? Good, look them up. You want to go to Vegas? Hotels. You need another lift to the airport or to your hotel? Good. Okay, do you want to go to Disneyland, Disney World? It's a no-brainer. There's even movies. Do you like movies now and then? I kind of like to stay at home. The older I get, people kind of drive me nuts. I'm a big fan of just sitting, getting me a mug of something to drink or snack on and just watching movies. And that's because half the time I got to go pee once or twice during any movie over 2 hours. But if you like going to movies, Cinemark and AMC, they're a participant with this. Okay, so there's a lot of entertainment-based things that people do because they have a little bit of extra cash. And let's face it, you want to have fun, even if you're on a budget. And you shouldn't spend that $20 on a movie ticket and on 3 pieces of popcorn. It's expensive to go to the movies, isn't it? It used to be like $5 for a couple drinks or something. And oh boy, tickets now anywhere from 10 to 15 to $20, depending on where you live. And another 10 to 20 to $30 just on some snackies. You know, very common to spend 60, $70 just if you and Peggy Sue go on a little date. Okay. Save money. Nothing wrong with saving money, even if you're wealthy. And you know what? If you are wealthy, good. And you probably got that way either through inheritance, you lucky son bitch, or maybe you just made good decisions. It's like a penny saved is a penny earned. Somebody said that. I think it was, I don't know, was it Ace Frehley a Kiss? Was it Nicolas Cage? He's good at saving money, I read. Okay. Anyway, I think you're going to have success with this because the product, the service, the opportunity, it just speaks for itself. You save money on things you're already buying or going to buy in the future. Okay. We have a very good backing company named LiveGood. I keep pointing like this because I have some LiveGood products on my little mini fridge there. I'm a big fan of LiveGood. All right. I got about 2 years and a couple months in. All right. That's a lot of my life. I don't have the 5 to 10 to 20 years of experience to be a guru to kick ass. Guys, within a couple months, I figured this out. You just need fresh eyeballs, positive eyeballs. Find people that want to earn money, maybe save money on this type of product. Or do they want to earn money, in my case, with a little webcam, a little light, you can see the circle thing, and you just want to sit like, this used to be probably a broom closet. Now it's my man cave full of Hot Wheels and Kiss things, okay? But, you know, if I take my webcam, I do have a laptop. I actually have a badass home computer right in front of me. I got 7 screens in front of me, and it looks like the space shuttle. I should do a little tour of my little man cave headquarters, my HQ. And you got one of these. Okay? So if you are flying somewhere to go on a little vacation, you can still just produce content. Guys, come to this. Click that. What do you think? Get a hold of me. I'm on vacation with my family. Hey, I'm going off the grid for a couple days. I'm going camping with my family. We're going to fish, and we're going to kind of do the best we can to turn these damn things off. But, you know, I'd probably be like in my tent going, and then like a bear would come up and go, well, I know where that guy is if I'm going to snack on him because he has a big white rectangle lighting up his face in the tent. But it is nice to know that if you do go somewhere, and you don't have to go across the world, you might just want to go, I don't know, to one of your best friends that lives a half hour or maybe a state away. Or you're on vacation, like let's say Thanksgiving, just a holiday, maybe a birthday, or you want to go on vacation just an hour away to a lake, and you got like a mom or a dad or someone with a little vacation, a cabin, or a timeshare. But isn't it nice to know? I'm sure you got electricity. You probably have cell service, okay? And you have the opportunity, just like me now and some other people, to go ahead and just talk about this opportunity and invite people just to a link. Okay? Keep it simple, guys, okay? And I'll show you. I'll end this video right now because, 13 minutes, God, it just goes so fast when I talk about this opportunity. I know it extremely well. I'm very excited about it, okay? I'm really confident that you're going to save some nice money just on the membership alone. And when it comes to the affiliate side, okay, I want you to look into this opportunity, just not from me, speaking here, but if you want to be an affiliate, $60 one-time fee. If you want to join by the month, it's $19.97, okay? I will make $20 to $32 on that. Thank you. And if you join for the year, I'm kind of a big fan of that because now you're a VIP with this company and you're going to make greater commissions. Okay, we'll go over that in another video, or I'll show you where to look at the pay plan. I want you to go to I Love Save Club. I Love Save Club. Who do you love? Save Club. Okay, you're going to go to a little capture page. It's going to look like this. I want you to watch this little video. It's a YouTube video, and it is produced by Chuckles, by Charles Chuckles. Okay, he's just going to go, man, that Cory guy, my name is Charles Mooey, but I call him Little Chuckles. Okay, watch him talk about 6 minutes about this opportunity. And then if you like what you see, just fill this out, get some more information, or join. Just make sure the email's right. I just had a lady, a friend of mine join, and she put, let's just say instead of abc@hotmail.com, she put abc@hotmail.com. So I'm going to get a hold of this company and even LiveGood and say, hey, if there's not a correct email, you guys should have software that rejects it, because I have software that does that. I don't send an email to anyone until it goes through my software and says, yes, it's deliverable. It's valid. Okay? But yeah, be sure you put the correct email in there. Because if you do join or lock in, when you join, you're going to get an email of everything you need to do. All right, to go A to B to C to D, soup to nuts. But be real cool on that email, because I had to write support. She had to write support. And now I got to probably wait until they figure out what happened. Okay, but just be careful. Make sure you got the email right. And in my case, you're just going to simply go to ilovesaveclub.com and you can go from there. All right. Take care, guys. All right. If you need something, I'll help you to the best of my ability. Go to Cory at CoryDraper.com. Go to my Facebook. You can go to my inbox. Yeah, do it. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. And I'm excited. I think you're going to dig this. I think if you have tried online business the last, let's say 1 month, 5 months, 5 years, or 105 years, I think this is an opportunity where you might go, my gosh, I can't believe it. I finally figured it out. Find a kick-ass opportunity first, then learn skills on how to invite people to click something to watch something. I'm done. That's all I want you to do. Okay? All right, guys. Pardon my voice, too. If it sounds a little throaty today, I was up late and doing a car show and stuff, so my voice is a little more bassy than normal, but I feel good. All right? Okay. You guys take care, and thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get a hold of me on Facebook if you need me. Adios. Bye.